Scientists have grown seeds in moon soil for the first time, using samples taken from NASA missions in 1969 and 1972, in an accomplishment that heralds the prospect of utilizing earthly flora to support human colonies on other worlds. The samples from the moon, according to Annalisa Paul, a research professor in the University of Florida's Horticultural Sciences Department and the study's first author, are powdery and fine. It clings to everything, as well, Paul continued. In the lunar regolith, plants can grow. That one simple assertion has enormous implications for future exploration of the moon and, most likely, Mars, Ms. Paul explained. Within days of seeding, the seeds began to grow. When we first went back in to take a look, it was astonishing to see that every plant group, all the seedlings germinated, Paul, who is also the head of the University of Florida's Interdisciplinary Center for Biotechnology Research, said. According to the press release, while all of the seeds sprouted, those grown in lunar soil did not grow as robustly as those grown in control soil. According to the press release, some of the plants produced in lunar soil samples exhibited stunted roots and leaves, as well as some reddish pigmentation. The fact that they grew at all was astonishing to the biologists. Rob Ferl, an assistant vice president for research at the University of Florida, said he felt delighted watching life accomplish something that had never been done before. Seeing plants grow is an accomplishment because it implies that we can go to the moon and grow food, clean the air, and recycle water using plants in the same manner we do on Earth. It's also a revelation since it asserts that terrestrial life isn't exclusive to Earth, Mr. Ferl continued. NASA made 12 grams of regolith, a few tablespoons, available from the Apollo 11, Apollo 12, and Apollo 17 missions. Plants are profoundly rooted in the science of space exploration because of their life support role, Mr. Ferl explained.